What's up, everybody? Welcome to the OptionPro Upcoming weekly webinar for the week of 1/11/2021. All right. Before we get started, guys, please pause your screen and read this disclaimer. I'll wait for you. All right. Welcome back. Let's look at what we got coming up this week in regards to earnings. If I can figure out how to share the screen. Here we go. All right, earnings. What do we have? It's going to be a slow start, guys. We have stuff coming up on Friday, and yes, Friday starts the season for the banks. We have J.P. Morgan, Wells Fargo, Citibank, and PNC reporting on Friday. So those are the ones we're staring at for this week. Next thing, who's speaking this week? Let's get to the second here. Get the share going here. There you go. Alrighty. Economic data for the week. Consumer prices on Wednesday at 8:30. Core CPI, the beige book at 2 p.m. Thursday is in the initial jobless claims and continuing jobless claims. Friday are the big ones: retail sales, Empire State Index, industrial production, and consumer sentiment. Those will all affect the action. If they are not even close to the data numbers, the market will move on that data. Alrighty, and NVIDIA and NEO have announced a partnership. So those two stocks are on watch as well. And I have one more thing to talk about is this week is the CES preview, guys, where NVIDIA, GM, Microsoft, Verizon, they got all be talking there this week. So please, guys, have your news on. All righty, let's get ready for these charts here. All right, up here I have three charts, guys. I have the 4-hour, the daily, and the weekly charts set up here. On my daily chart, I have the 50 and the 200 simple moving average here. Let's start off with SPY. All right, SPY is at all-time highs right now, guys. It hit that 381.49 on Friday. Now, what we're looking for here, guys, is we are at highs now. So our resistance will be every $1 up now, guys. So on SPY here, we'll break up that 382, guys. We're gonna test that 383 and 384 levels now. What we're gonna have is some sort of strong news, guys, to push through that 385 area. On the downside, break under this, say 358, guys, 378, guys. I'm gonna draw our down towards the 376 and then this 375 area. That is a short-term range. The longer-term range, guys, is a break under this 370, guys, down towards this 366.50 again. All right, so historically, when the president changes, January 20th happens every 4 years. What typically happens is we get a pullback, typically. So what I'm looking for, guys, is 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm looking for some sort of big drop. All right, that's SPY. On the Qs, all right, Qs as well had highs at that 320. She kept hitting this 305 here, holding it, held it 3 times, and then shot up in 3 days there. So what? Hey, break over that 320, guys. She does that 322 area, and then it's gonna be 320, 350, and 325. On the downside, break under 318, going to draw right down towards 316. Between 315 and 312, guys, is a hard trading zone. That zone will chop for us there. Under 312, guys, it's every $2 down. 310, 308, 306, and between 304 and 305, guys, try to avoid trading tech here. Alrighty, let's just glance at VIX. VIX is down right now towards that 21. She keeps hitting that 20 level and keeps going up higher here. You can see right over here, 20 keeps hitting and going up. So a break under 20, guys, you're going to draw up down towards this 1850 area. If she holds at this 20 here, guys, you're going to shoot back up towards 23, 25, and 27. All righty, let's get to the stocks. Apple here. I'll break over this 134.50, guys. Trade her up towards 136, 138. Now here between 139 and 140 is going to be hard to trade here. I'm going to be trading the break of 140 myself, the whole number, and I'm going to try to avoid trading between 138 and 140. On the downside, I'll break under 129, guys. Trade back down towards that 127 and 125 area. BNB. What do we have here? All right, she's in this range right here. A break over 156. Trade this up towards 160, 164, and then 170. On the downside, a break under 140, guys. Trade it back down towards 136 and 130. Not a big fan of that chart. AMD, I'm liking as well. They talk on Tuesday. I'll break over this 96.50, say. It'll be safe. Trade up towards 98. As that 98 breaks, guys, with volume, guys, hop in, trade it up towards 99.50. I'm going to be cash between 99.50 and 101. I will not be trading it between 99.50 and 101. On the downside, I don't like it at all until she breaks. I just don't like it. So choppy around here. She can hold here. She can hold here. She can hold here. She can hold here. My trade is going to be a break under 87.50. Trade it down towards 86 and 84. Inside of here, I'll put out some sort of catalyst, guys. I'm not going to trade it at all. Amazon getting tighter and tighter. Everybody keeps saying it. We keep talking about it. Amazon's going to come. Amazon's going to come. Amazon's going to come. But Amazon has gone limp. Poor guy. All right. She's tighter right here. What I'm looking for the bigger play I'm talking about here is a break under 3,100, trade it down towards 30.50 and 3,000. On the upside, a break over 32.50, trade up towards 3,300, 3,340. The key break on the upside is going to be a hold of this 33.50 here, guys. If she can break here and hold, she's going to shoot up towards 34.450 and 3,500. But she keeps chopping here, guys. She keeps hitting to that level and dropping back down. Hitting it and dropping back down. She is tighter now. So hopefully she can run for us again. BA had a crash on Saturday. Had a crash on Saturday. What I'm looking for here, Phil, is typically now with the BA, the past 10 months or so, and she has great news, she drops, or she has bad news, she pops. So what I'm looking for here on the upside is a break over 217, trade up towards 220, and then it's going to be this 225 area followed by 230. On the downside, I probably will trade the break of 200 down towards 195 and 190. If you're feeling aggressive here, break under 206, trade it down towards 203 and 200. I'm not going to trade here because you could drop and just turn on us real fast. All right, Baidu has been great for us. Then the next setup up here, guys. Let me go back a little bit here. Hold on. Can you save it? Let's go to the monthly chart. All right. So a break over 243 up towards 245, guys, is still the play here. Over 245, guys, we have a level like 250, followed by wicks, wicks, and wicks, and wicks. So I do not suggest any heavy swings right now on Baidu. Now she reported her today. They're gonna start doing cars now, so we can see her run and run hard up towards 260, 265, 275, and 285 area. But just be where, here we guys. Here is hard. Here's a hard drops. Here's a hard drops. If you look at the customized lips here, let me change this one, edit. Let's go to 3 years. Let me just show you this here, 3 years, 1 day. She shoots up, drops down. Shoots up, drops down. Shoots up, drops down. And now here was the China tariff, so it's hard to actually tell there. But still, guys, we have to be query here somewhere, all right, guys? So for this week, a break over 250, guys, trade up towards 260, 265, 275, and 285 on the upside. On the downside, what are we looking at here? On the downside, a break under 220, guys, trade down towards 210 and 200. All right, Blink, looking good here. Strong move up, pull back, consolidation. A break over 48, guys, trade up towards 50, 52, and 54. On the downside, a break under 38, trade it down towards 36 and 34. Between here, guys, you don't want to trade here. You don't want to trade it. But the premiums will not jump for you. You will not get paid on it. You're going to be a long trade where premiums go up 3%, down 5%, up 5%, down 10%. So it's skip it. All right, BYND. Break under this 115, guys. Trade down towards 110. A break under 110. Trade down towards 105, and then 102. If that 100 breaks, guys, trade it down towards 90 and 80. On the upside, if you're feeling aggressive on her, a break over 122, trade up towards 125, 130. Citibank. A break over 68, guys. Trade up towards $70. A break under 64. Trade down towards 62. Let's stick with your banks for a second here. GS at highs. A break over 296. Be wary, guys. At 300 is right there. 300 is a whole number. 300 is a reversal level there, guys. So just be careful there. A break under 285, guys. Trade back down towards 280 and 273. JPM. Reports on Friday. A break over 138. Trade up towards 139, 141 area. A break under 135, guys. Trade down towards 133 and 130. CGC. Break under 29, guys. Traded down towards 27.50. A break over 31. Trade up towards 32 and 33. Not a big fan of it. Chewy. Over 102. Trade up towards 106 and then 110. A break under 94. Traded back towards the 90. CRM. Held strong. A break over 224. Trade back up towards 228, 232, and then 236. A break under 215, guys. Trade down towards 210. Crash strike on watch. Break over 230. Trade up towards 235, 240, and 245. Break under 220. Trade back down towards 215 and 210. Disney looking low volume only, but a break over 184, trade up towards 186 and 189. On the drop, I'm not trading. BKNG, a break over that 54, trade up towards 56 and then 58. On the downside, I don't like it. Doc U, break over that 250, trade up towards 255 and 260. Under 240, trade back down towards 230. ENPH. A break under 195, traded back down towards 188. On the upside, a break over 220, trade up towards 230. Facebook. Break over 282, 281, trade up towards 285 and 290. Break under 260, traded down towards 255 and 250. I'm not trading it. F again. Alrighty. FEYE, a break over 24, trade up towards 25 and 26. See, she had a strong play up here, pull back, profit taken, right? Consolidation. Next play sets up here. Go fastly. Not a big fan of this, but a break over 92, traded up towards 99. Break under 80, traded down towards 75. Not a big fan of it. GLD. Not a big fan of it. Alphabet, GOOGL, a break over 1810, traded up towards 1830, 1850, and then 1880. On the downside, I'm not trading it, but a break under 1760, traded back down towards 1740 and 1710. JKS, not a good zone. JMIA, I'll talk about in a pre-market. LMND, break over that 170, guys, trade up towards 175, 180, 185. Break under it already happened. The 160 already happened, but break under 150, traded down towards 140. LVS is starting their own handling site. I'll break over this 60, trade up towards 62 and 64. On the downside, I'm not trading it. Mara, crypto. PTC has dropped back down into 34 grand now. So you're looking for a pullback and a hold of this 26, possibly 25 for the next push back up. If that happens, if she hits this 25 and starts to go push back up, that's going to be the ideal trade. Up towards that 29 again. Or you could trade the break over 29, guys, trade up towards 30 and 31 with a pullback. Break under 24, trade down towards 22 and 20. Let's just do Riot while we're here. Riot, same thing here, guys. The ideal play here is to pull back towards this 25. It holds, it consolidates for half a day or so, and then goes back up. Ideally. All right. Microsoft. You can see here, keep moving. MU had that big play up, and then the sell-off on Friday. We're looking for a hold of 76. A break under 76, traded down towards 74.50, 73, and 72. On the upside, break over 78, trade back up towards 79, 80, 81 levels. Now Netflix, it's just playing around with people here. That ain't funny. I'll break over this 520, guys, trade back up towards that 530, 540 area, and then 550. On the downside, a break under 495, trade it down towards 490 and 480. Stay at the money. Alrighty. NEO. Yes, guys, you know, you should, or you could, or you would, but you didn't. All right, so the play here, guys, is a break over 60.25, traded up towards 62, 64, and 65. A break under 57, traded down towards 56 and 55. NVIDIA, back to back. Break over this 535 up towards 540, 545, 550, 555. Every $5. She goes up every $5, everybody. On the downside, I'm not a fan of it, but a break on the 520, trade down towards 512. PDD, I'll break over this 188, trade up towards 190, 192. On the downside, if you hear some sort of China restrictions, a break under 175, trade down towards 170. Pen, a break over 96 up towards 98, and then 100. On the downside, I'm not trading it. Pins, I'm liking. Strong move up, consolidation. I'll break over this 74, trade up towards 76, and then 78. I'll break under 66, trade down towards 62. PLTR. I'll break over 27. Nah, I ain't gonna trade that. Plug. I'll break over this 56, guys, trade up towards 58 and 60. I'll break under 52, trade back down towards 50 and 49. And then this 47.50 area. So she shot up like an animal. Peloton, break over that 160, trade back up towards that 170. If that 170 breaks, trade up towards 170, 250, and 175. On the downside, a break under 150, trade down towards 145. PayPal, a break over 246, trade up towards 250. A break under 238. I'm not crazy about it, but 236 and 234. I'm not crazy about it. QCOM, I love. A break over that 161, trade up towards 164, 166, and 170. A break under 154, traded down towards 150. Roku. All right, so a break over that 403, trade up towards 410, 415, and 420. A break under 387, traded down towards 380. Shopify, a break over 1210, trade up towards 1240, 1270, 1280. On the downside, a break under 1160, traded down towards 1130 and 1100. Snap, I like a lot as well. Look at this, testing. The aggressive trade is a break over 54, trade up towards 55. The safer trade is a break over 55, trade up 56, 57, 58. On the downside, I'm not trading it. Snow will hit 380 by next week. All right, so the trade here is a break over 330, traded up towards 350, 360. On the downside, a break under 290, trade back down towards 280 and 270. Spotify at all-time highs, a break over that 355, trade up towards 360, 365. A break under 340, trade back down towards 330, 325, and 320. Square at highs. Now, the aggressive trade is a break over 247, trade up towards 250, obviously. The safer trade is a break over 251, trade up towards 255 and 258. A break under 240, guys, traded down towards 235 and 230. Tesla. So the last time Tesla broke 900, guys, she dropped dead in like 10 minutes. So we need to be ready for the drop as well here, guys. A break over 905, trade up towards 920, 930, and 940. A break under 880, 860, I mean, traded down towards 840 and 820. Now, if you see volume picking up on the drop, right? Say she hits this 920 and just starts to sell off. You never hop in blind. You wait for some sort of pullback and you hop in net. All right. Twitter, a break under 49, traded down towards 48 and 47. Break over, I'm not even trading it up. WMT, break over that 148, trade up towards 149 and 150. XL, set your alerts, guys, at 23. A break over 23, trade up to 24, 25, 26, every $1, guys. Easy trade there. XBEV. Now, I see here you're going either a strong play back up towards high or a strong play down towards lows. I don't see her today here now. So I'll break over this 50, guys, trade up towards 54, 58, and 60. A break under 38, trade it down towards 30. p.m. Keeps trying to wake up, but it keeps dropping dead. A break under 335, traded down towards 325, and then 320. A break over 353, traded up towards 360 and 365. ZS dropped hard, held. A break over this 201, traded up towards 205 and 210. On the downside, a break on the 190, traded back down towards 185 and 180. All right, guys. Second week of the year here, guys. Second week of the year. If you are green, start the year, guys. God bless. If you are red, guys, please make sure you are journaling. You need to journal to grow. If you're not journaling, you will not grow. Stay green, everybody.